Welcome, my friend, to the guided meditation. Today, I'm going to teach you how to meditate if you've never had before, if you're a complete and utter beginner, and if not, this will also help you, as this is my guided meditation. I want you to find a comfortable place to sit down. Pause the video until you've done so. Now that you've found a comfortable spot to sit down, ideally quiet, I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And out. I want you to pick out something in your environment to focus on, whether that be the breath, whether that be a sound. If you have nothing else, I would focus on your breath. And just breathe in and breathe out. Forget about any daily tasks you have right now. This 10 minutes will be spent solely on meditating and nothing else. Thoughts are going to creep in left and right. That's okay. Gently return yourself to the breath. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. You've never done this before, so I don't expect you to be great at it. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Focus on all aspects of your breath. What are the sensations you feel when you breathe in and when you breathe out? Great work. Keep going. Don't be troubled if thoughts arise. Simply return your attention to the breath. If you find yourself getting distracted, gently return to the breath. If you find it hard for yourself to calm down, take a deep breath in and then follow that by a sharp inhale as much as you can, and then slowly exhale. Relax all parts of your body while keeping a straight, alert position. With each exhale, allow your body to relax further. If thoughts arise, gently return yourself back to the breath. We're almost nearing the end of the session. Stop focusing on your breath and allow yourself to focus around on all the sensations around you. Perhaps it's a sound. Perhaps it's the way your body feels. Focus on those sensations. Allow your attention to go wherever it flows. You can open your eyes now. Mindfulness meditation can help us with impulse control and allow us to become more present within the moment. Practicing this every day will help with that. So, if you like this guided meditation, add it to your playlist and perhaps refer to it every day so that you can practice mindfulness meditation And if you'd like to go more in depth, you can download an app known as Medito, Medito. They have plenty of guided meditations. So, take a moment to reflect how you felt after this meditation. How does it feel to just be able to focus on your breath and go back to your breath every time you become distracted by thoughts? You're not going to be very good at this initially, and your thoughts are going to keep distracting you, and it's going to seem quite frustrating, but that's okay. That's all a part of the process. That's what needs to happen so that you can track how mindful you are. The more you can keep track of your breath, the more mindful you become. And if you've never practiced such things, then you can't expect yourself to be great at it, you know? So practice this every day to allow yourself to be able to become more mindful. And you'll find it much easier to be within the present moment and control your impulses. But that's all I have for today. Take care of yourself. Peace.